In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a pending order on MetaTrader 5. If you've been in the fascinating world of trading for any length of time, you know that timing is everything. Rather than constantly watching the markets, pending orders can assist you in automating your trades, ensuring you don't miss out on potential opportunities. To start, you'll want to open your MetaTrader 5 platform and bring up the trading chart for the currency pair you're interested in. Now, with the chart open, right-click on it. This action brings up a small context menu with several options, carefully crafted to meet various trading needs. Here, look for the Trading option. Clicking on Trading opens up a sub-menu with more choices. You'll notice options like Sell Limit or Buy Stop are available for you. These represent different types of pending orders you can place. If you choose a Sell Limit, you're expecting that the market will rise to a certain level before dropping. Alternatively, a buy stop is used when you anticipate that the market will rise above a specified level. This selection depends on your market analysis and the strategy you intend to deploy. Once you have made your choice between sell limit or buy stop, you'll be directed to a new window, specifically designed for setting up your pending order parameters. This is where things get interesting. You need to fill in the stop loss field. The stop loss is crucial because it helps safeguard your investment, ensuring you exit the trade if the market moves against your expectations beyond a certain point. Carefully consider your risk tolerance and market volatility as you select this level. Next, you'll want to enter the Take Profit level. This feature allows you to close your trade automatically once it reaches a certain favorable level, locking in your profits. Choosing an effective take profit level involves analyzing potential market highs. Striking the right balance here is essential, as you don't want to set it too high and miss out, or too low and limit your profit potential. There's also an option to fill in an expiration date for your order. This means you're able to specify a particular date and time by which, if the order hasn't been activated, it will be automatically cancelled. This is particularly useful for short-term strategies or if a trading opportunity is expected within a certain time frame. Lastly, with all your parameters set up and double-checked for accuracy, you'll click on Sell or Buy located at the bottom of the window. Doing so finalizes your pending order, and MetaTrader 5 will keep an eye on the market for you. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're on your way to making strategic pending orders that align with your trading goals. Stay committed to your analysis and strategy, and pending orders will become a useful tool in your trading arsenal.